So we got a Lexus NX250. We're going to show you how to take out the cabin filter and replace it if you want. It's going to be behind the glove box. We're going to need to lower this glove box. First step, disconnect damper. Just pull it, disconnect like that. See these stoppers right here? We got to pull the glove box in, pull the glove box fork down. Both sides. Okay, then the glove box will lower. Cabin filter's in this box here. We're going to squeeze this tab, pull towards us. Notice that the lid has an up marked on it. We're going to put this back exactly how we took it out. It has these feet on it. These are going to be at the bottom. Pull the filter out. It's retained in this holder here. You can see how it says up also. This needs to go in the same way you took it out. The element will just come out of the retainer. And you put the new one in. This one's pretty clean, so we're not going to change this for my customer today. I'm not going to recommend it at all, but I will check it. If you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box. It takes you to Amazon where you can get a new cabin filter for your NX, but we just take the element out again, replace it with the new one. On your aftermarket filters, it will have airflow directions, like arrows on it, and the airflow direction is always going to be down. This just says up on it because it matches up. Everything matches up. That has nothing to do with airflow when it comes to a factory filter. This is a factory filter. You can tell because the font is exactly the same as this right here. So when you get your new setup all together, you want to make sure that you put this holder in all the way. This is not all the way. I can't get my finger in here. You got to have enough space for this piece right here. So go ahead and pull it back out, lift the back of it up like that, place it in there, push it in there nice. It has this nice big gap where you can stick your finger in. It's going to allow this door to go back on. If you don't get it, this door will not go on like this, okay? It will fight you, okay? So make sure you do that right. Then you get the door, just close it, all right? And everything will go back to where it needs to be. Grab the damper, and we just pop it back on there just like that, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd appreciate it if you could leave me a comment or hit the like button, and hope to see you again in another Lexus video.